Welcome everyone to Relieving Anxiety Meditation. Before we begin with the Relieving Anxiety Meditation, it's essential to understand what is anxiety. Along with depression, the anxiety is the most ubiquitous of negative emotional states which is generated from within. The literal meaning of anxiety is twisted rope. Anxiety is always produced in relation to time, that is, in regards to concerns about future. We cannot actually know the future. It is only the potential, not something that actually exists. However, we tend to treat the future as an actual thing, susceptible to being manipulated, controlled, or even modified. This unfortunate self-deception from which most of us suffer prompts the fretting and discomfort that characterize anxiety. It is unlikely that any of us will elude this trap entirely. At one time or another, we will feel anxious. Let's call this meditation as an anxiety meditation. This meditation can be done as needed. Whenever you experience anxiety, it'll only take 3 to 4 minutes. So, let's get ready for the anxiety meditation. Bring yourself to a comfortable position where you can fully enjoy your time. You can sit either on a chair, cross-legged, or on your bed. Doesn't matter. Wherever you are, please have a comfortable position so your mind can focus on discomfort. Pause, take some time, and get ready. Now, close your eyes and become aware of your breath. And when you do so, you might take a nice deep breath in. Breathe in as much as you can, and when you exhale, feel you are releasing all of your worries from your mind and body. Let's do the breathe in and breathe out 5 times. Count 1. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your nostrils. Breathe out slowly and deeply through your mouth. 2. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your nostrils. Breathe out slowly and deeply through your mouth. 3. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your nostrils. Breathe out slowly and deeply through your mouth. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your nostrils. Breathe out slowly and deeply through your mouth. 5. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your nostrils. Breathe out slowly and deeply through your mouth. Now, mentally see yourself getting up from where you started doing this meditation. You're going to your closet or wherever you have kept your backpack. Carry your backpack on your shoulder. Start walking towards the shoe rack located at your house front door. Wear your comfortable running shoes. Open the front door and start walking towards stony areas near your house. You see your neighbors waving their hands at you, some greeting you verbally by saying hello, and you're responding to their greetings. Children playing outside, laughing, smiling, and they're all having a good time. But you were so anxious from within that this atmosphere does not give you comfort. Keep on walking, and now see yourself entering a desert. No one is in this desert. You're feeling lonely and scared. As you walk, you notice darkness looming ahead of you. Somehow this means that a sandstorm of anxiety is coming towards you. As it approaches, see yourself removing a folded tent from your backpack. You rush to unfold it and set it up, quickly driving the 4 pegs into place and ensuring that all 4 pegs are firm, raising the tent and then going through the flap and closing it behind you. Sit peacefully in your tent as you hear the sand blowing around and over the tent. You're feeling the fear, you're experiencing worries, and your heart is rising fast. But you know that everything is going to be okay. Now, close your eyes and take a long, deep inhalation for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold the breath inside for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Deep and long exhalation for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once more, take a long, deep inhalation for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath inside for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Deep and long exhalation for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, mentally focus outside the tent and know that the sandstorm has passed completely. With this, your anxiety has passed too. Now gently open your eyes and see outside the tent. Everything is calm, peaceful, and beautiful. Slowly go towards the tent's flap and open it. You are coming out and breathing the fresh air. Now you feel very calm, peaceful, and happy. Folding your tent, put it back into your backpack. And now happily start walking towards your home. Now you're approaching your house and engaging with children playing and neighbors' jokes. Feel the beauty of socializing, the value of life, and the happiness within you. Now enter your house, remove your shoes, put aside your backpack, and slowly go to your room where you're meditating. Now you're back into your body. Feel your existence. Feel connectivity with your friends, family, neighbors, and strangers. Feel anxiety has passed away. Stay here for a few moments. Notice how you feel right now. Now mentally say these positive affirmations. The panic I feel is not there. I'm strong and courageous. Everything is temporary. I choose to be happy. I let go of what I can't control. My anxiety doesn't define me. I have the power to control my emotions. I will let go of my negative thoughts. Again, you are tightly connected with yourself and the whole world. No one can break this relationship. No negative emotions can get space in your life. Slowly draw your awareness to the present moment, returning your thoughts to your current surroundings. Breathe in deeply again, feeling forever connected to yourself and this world. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes and always thank yourself and this world for being supportive. Anxiety meditation is complete now. Namaste. Namaste, and thank you for visiting our channel. If you enjoyed this content, please do consider to like, share, and subscribe to us. This channel was created with the intention of reaching audiences across the globe. So, your support is highly appreciated. Thank you so much, and see you the next time. Namaste.